Welcome to the Kingdom of Knowledge. Today's summary is of the fine art of small talk. In our fast-paced world, the ability to start and maintain a conversation is more valuable than ever. Whether you're at a business event, a social gathering, or just meeting someone new, small talk is the gateway to deeper connection. Many people feel anxious about these moments, but with the right skills, anyone can become a confident conversationalist. Today, we'll explore practical techniques to help you start conversation. Small talk often gets dismissed as trivial, but it's actually the foundation of meaningful relationships. It breaks the ice, builds rapport, and opens doors to deeper conversation. Think about the last time you met someone new. Did you feel awkward or unsure what to say? That's where small talk comes in. It helps people feel included and valued, whether you're at a networking event, a party, or even just chatting with a neighbor. Mastering small talk can lead to new friendships, business. Deborah Fine, once a shy and introverted engineer, struggled with social situations for years. She avoided gathering, arrived late, and left early, hoping someone else would start the conversation. But everything changed when she decided to take control and learn the art of small talk. Through observation, practice, and a willingness to step out of her comfort zone, Deborah transformed her life. She built a business around helping others develop these essential skills. Her story proves that anyone, regardless. Many people feel nervous or even panicked at the thought of mingling with strangers. The fear of rejection or saying the wrong thing can be overwhelming. But remember, you're not alone. Most people share these anxieties. The key is to take small, manageable steps. Start by smiling, making eye contact, and offering a simple greeting. Practice in low-pressure situations, like saying hello to someone in the grocery store or at the gym. Over time, these small actions build confidence and make social interaction. One of the most important lessons in small talk is learning to take the initiative. Don't wait for others to approach you. Be the one who starts the conversation. It might feel uncomfortable at first, but taking that first step often leads to rewarding connection. Remember, most people are just as nervous as you are and will appreciate your effort. By assuming the responsibility for starting and maintaining the conversation, you set a positive tone and make others feel at ease. In the business world, small talk is more than just polite chatter. It's a strategic tool. Starting and ending meetings with casual conversation humanizes relationships and builds trust. Clients and colleagues are more likely to work with people they feel comfortable around. Even a brief exchange about the weather or a recent event can set the stage for productive discussion. Remember, people often choose to do business with those they like and trust, and small talk is the first step in building. Small talk isn't just for business. It's a valuable skill in everyday life. Whether you're picking up your child from school, chatting with a neighbor, or meeting someone at a party, these brief interactions can lead to lasting connection. By showing genuine interest in others and engaging in light conversation, you make people feel seen and appreciated. Over time, these small moments add up, enriching your social network and opening doors to new opportunities. Hardest part of any conversation is often the beginning. Icebreakers are your secret weapon. Instead of the usual "what do you do?", try asking about someone's favorite vacation, a recent movie they enjoyed, or their thoughts on the event you're attending. These questions invite people to share stories and opinions, making the conversation more engaging. The more you practice using icebreakers, the easier it becomes to start conversations in any setting. Remembering and using people's names is a powerful way to build rapport. When you meet someone new, focus on their name, repeat it during the conversation, and use it sincerely. If you forget, don't be afraid to ask again. Most people appreciate the effort. Avoid shortening names or using nicknames unless invited to do so. Taking the time to learn and use someone's name shows respect and genuine interest, making your interactions more memorable. Just as it's important to remember others' names, it's equally courteous to offer your own. Even if you think someone should remember you, introduce yourself with a smile. This small gesture relieves any awkwardness and helps the conversation flow smoothly. By making introductions easy for everyone, you create a welcoming atmosphere and set the stage for positive interaction. Many of us grew up hearing advice like "don't talk to strangers" or "silence is golden." While these messages kept us safe as children, they can hold us back as adults. It's time to replace them with new habits. Engage strangers in safe situations, introduce yourself, and take the initiative. Remember, every friend or colleague was once a stranger. By reaching out, you open yourself to new experiences and relationships. Staying silent in social situations can be misinterpreted as arrogance or disinterest. Even if you're shy, making an effort to engage in conversation helps others see your true personality. Visibility and interaction often lead to new opportunities, both personally and professionally. Don't let silence cost you connection. Start small talking and let others get to know you. Waiting for others to approach you rarely leads to meaningful connection. Take action by introducing yourself and starting conversation. At events, resist the urge to stick with people you already know. Instead, seek out new faces and expand your network. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to step out of your comfort zone and create new opportunities. It's natural to fear rejection when starting a conversation, but the reality is that most people are grateful when someone takes the initiative. Even if your efforts aren't always reciprocated, the risk is minimal compared to the potential rewards. By being the one to break the ice, you gain respect and often make others feel more comfortable. Great conversationalists take responsibility for keeping the dialogue going. Don't rely on others to carry the conversation. Ask questions, share stories, and show genuine interest. Avoid one-word answers and instead contribute thoughtfully. By actively participating, you make the interaction enjoyable for everyone involved. Networking in professional setting, use business-focused icebreakers to spark conversation. Ask about someone's typical day, how they got started in their field, or what trends they see in their industry. These questions show interest in the other person's experience and expertise, making the conversation relevant and engaging. In social situations, try asking about someone's favorite vacation, a memorable meal, or a book they've read more than once. These questions invite people to share personal stories and preferences, making the conversation more enjoyable and meaningful. Tailor your questions to the setting and the person you're speaking with for the best result. When you ask someone a question, be prepared to answer it yourself. Reciprocity is key to keeping conversations balanced and engaging. If you ask about someone's favorite holiday, share your own as well. This back and forth builds trust and helps both parties feel included in the conversation. Like any skill, small talk improves with practice. Start by using icebreakers in everyday situations, at the coffee shop, in the elevator, or during community events. The more you practice, the more natural and confident you'll become. Over time, you'll find it easier to connect with others and enjoy social interaction. When entering a room, look for approachable people, those who make eye contact, are standing alone, or seem open to conversation. It's often easier to start a dialogue with someone who isn't already engaged in a group. By reaching out to these individuals, you not only help yourself, but also make someone else feel included. Eye contact is a powerful non-verbal cue that signals interest and openness. When you make eye contact and smile, you invite others to engage with you. This simple gesture can break down barriers and set a positive tone for the conversation. Practice making eye contact in various settings to build your confidence. Sometimes, starting a conversation with a statement followed by a question is more effective than direct question alone. For example, what a beautiful day. What's your favorite season? Or this is a wonderful restaurant. What's your favorite place to eat? These openers invite others to share their thoughts and keep the conversation flowing. Active listening is just as important as speaking. Show genuine interest by nodding, maintaining eye contact, and responding thoughtfully. Avoid interrupting or thinking about your next response while the other person is talking. By listening attentively, you make others feel valued and encourage deeper conversation. Every conversation has its awkward pauses or moments when the dialogue stalls. Don't panic. Use your list of icebreakers or ask about something in your shared environment. A simple comment about the event, the food, or the setting can reignite the conversation and help both parties feel more at ease. Smoothly transitioning from one topic to another keeps the conversation lively and engaging. Listen for cues in what the other person said and build on them. For example, if someone mentions a recent trip, ask about their favorite travel destination. These transitions make the dialogue feel natural and continuous. Knowing how to end a conversation gracefully is just as important as starting one. Thank the person for their time, express genuine pleasure in meeting them, and if appropriate, suggest staying in touch. A polite exit leaves a positive impression and opens the door for future interaction. Networking events can be intimidating, but they're also prime opportunities to practice small talk. Arrive with a few icebreakers in mind, introduce yourself to new people, and focus on building genuine connections rather than just collecting business cards. The more you engage, the more comfortable you'll become. Small talk isn't just about business, it's a powerful way to make new friends. By showing interest, sharing stories, and being open, you create opportunities for deeper relationships. Many lasting friendships begin with a simple conversation at a party, event, or even in line at the coffee shop. As you practice small talk, you'll notice a boost in your social confidence. Each successful interaction reinforces your skill and makes future conversations easier. Over time, you'll find yourself looking forward to social events rather than dreading them. Confidence is built one conversation at a time. Strong conversational skills can enhance your career. From job interviews to team meetings, the ability to connect with others sets you apart. Employers and colleagues value those who can communicate effectively and build positive relationships. Small talk is often the first step toward professional success. Networking is about more than exchanging contact information. It's about building genuine relationships. Use small talk to learn about others, share your own experiences, and find common ground. The stronger your networking skills, the more opportunities you'll discover in both your personal and professional life. Leaders who excel at small talk create inclusive, positive environments. By making others feel comfortable and valued, they foster teamwork and collaboration. Whether you're leading a meeting or welcoming a new team member, Small talk is a key tool in your leadership toolkit. Difficult or tense situations can benefit from small talk. A few kind words or a light-hearted comment can ease tension and create a more positive atmosphere. Use small talk to build bridges, even when conversations are tough. Small talk has a ripple effect. One positive interaction can lead to many more. As you build your skills, you'll notice new opportunities, friendships, and experiences unfolding. The benefits extend far beyond the initial conversation, enriching your life in unexpected ways. Every conversation is a chance to learn from someone with a different background or perspective. Embrace diversity by being open, curious, and respectful. Small talk helps bridge gaps and fosters understanding among people from all walks of life. Joining a group conversation can be intimidating, but the same principles apply. Listen actively, contribute thoughtfully, and use names when possible. If you're new to the group, introduce yourself and ask inclusive questions to engage everyone. Social events are perfect opportunities to practice small talk. Whether it's a wedding, party, or community gathering, approach someone who looks approachable and start a conversation. Remember, most people appreciate the effort and are happy to chat. In today's digital world, face-to-face conversation is more important than ever. While emails and messages are convenient, nothing replaces the warmth and connection of real conversation. Use small talk to strengthen relationships beyond the screen. Every interaction is an opportunity to practice and improve your small talk skills. Whether you're at work, at home, or out in the community, look for chances to connect with others. The more you engage, the more natural it becomes. Not every conversation will go perfectly, and that's okay. Learn from awkward moments or missteps and use them to improve. The willingness to try, even when it's uncomfortable, is what leads to growth and mastery. As you develop your small talk skill, take time to celebrate your progress. Each successful conversation, new connection, or moment of confidence is a step forward. Recognize your achievements and keep building on them. As you become more comfortable with small talk, encourage others to join in. Invite shy or quiet individuals into conversation and help them feel included. Your efforts can make a big difference in someone else's experience. At its core, small talk is about connecting with others. The joy of making someone smile, learning something new, or forming a new friendship is what makes these skills so valuable. Embrace the process and enjoy the journey. Equip yourself with a toolkit of icebreakers, active listening skills, and a willingness to engage. Keep a mental list of questions and topics, and don't be afraid to use them. With practice, you'll find yourself navigating social situations with ease. Small talk is more than just filling silence. It's a powerful tool for building relationships, advancing your career, and enriching your life. By taking initiative, practicing regularly, and showing genuine interest in others, you can master the art of conversation. Remember, every great connection starts with a simple hello. Embrace small talk and watch your world expand.